Causes of fire coming from the engine bay. 1. Fuel leaks. Fuel leaks are one of the most dangerous causes of fire in the engine bay. Gasoline and diesel are highly flammable, and even a small fuel leak can easily ignite when exposed to heat or sparks. This can occur if fuel lines are cracked, fuel injectors are malfunctioning, or there's a damaged fuel tank. Fuel leaking onto hot engine components, like the exhaust manifold or catalytic converter, can lead to an immediate fire. It is essential to detect any fuel smell or visible leaks and address them before they pose a serious fire hazard. 2. Oil leaks on hot surfaces. Engine oil is another flammable fluid that can cause fires if it leaks onto hot engine parts. Oil leaks commonly occur due to worn-out gaskets, valve covers, or poorly sealed oil filters. When the oil drips onto components such as the exhaust manifold or turbocharger, it can ignite and cause a fire. Because the engine operates at high temperatures, even small oil leaks can quickly escalate into an engine fire if not promptly addressed. 3. Electrical malfunctions and short circuits. Electrical issues are a frequent cause of engine bay fires. Wiring can wear out over time, leading to exposed wires that cause short circuits or sparks. These electrical sparks can ignite nearby flammable materials or fluids. Components such as the alternator, starter motor, or battery can overheat and cause sparks or even catch fire. A malfunctioning alternator or faulty battery connections are often to blame for these fires. Signs of electrical problems include strange smells, melted wires, or blown fuses, and these should be checked immediately. 4. Overheating engine. When the engine overheats, it can cause surrounding components to catch fire. This often happens when the cooling system fails due to issues such as a malfunctioning radiator, broken water pump, or low coolant levels. Overheating can lead to hot engine parts causing rubber hoses, plastic components, or fluids to catch fire. Overheating can also cause seals and gaskets to burn or crack, worsening the situation. Signs of overheating, such as the temperature gauge rising or steam coming from the radiator, should be taken seriously to avoid a potential fire. 5. Misfiring or running rich fuel mixture, catalytic converter overheating. In engines with catalytic converters, unburned fuel reaching the converter can cause it to overheat. When the engine runs rich, too much fuel in the air-fuel mixture, excess unburned fuel reaches the catalytic converter and ignites at high temperatures. This excessive heat can ignite nearby flammable materials in the engine bay, including hoses and wiring. Regular maintenance of the fuel system, including cleaning fuel injectors and ensuring proper fuel-to-air ratios, can prevent this from happening. 6. Turbocharger overheating, if equipped. In vehicles equipped with a turbocharger, overheating is a significant concern. Turbochargers generate a large amount of heat, and if the oil supply to the turbo is inadequate or the system is poorly maintained, it can lead to excessive heat buildup. This heat can cause oil leaks to ignite, creating a fire in the engine bay. If the turbocharger components become clogged with debris or oil, it can also contribute to excessive heat. Regular inspection and maintenance of the turbo system, including oil changes and cooling system checks, are necessary to avoid fire hazards. 7. Faulty exhaust system. A damaged or faulty exhaust system can lead to fire in the engine bay. Cracks or holes in the exhaust manifold or exhaust pipe can cause hot exhaust gases to leak into the engine compartment. These gases can heat up nearby components, such as wiring, hoses, or even the fuel tank, causing them to catch fire. Exhaust system damage, if not caught early, can cause severe heat buildup that leads to an engine fire. Proper maintenance and timely repair of the exhaust system are vital in preventing this issue. 8. Residual fluids or debris in the engine bay. After servicing or maintenance, spilled fluids, grease, dirt, or debris left in the engine bay can cause a fire when exposed to the high temperatures generated by the engine. Spilled fuel, oil, or even cleaning agents can quickly ignite when the engine heats up. Similarly, leaves, twigs, or other debris that accumulate in the engine bay can smolder and ignite if they come into contact with hot engine parts. Regular cleaning and inspection of the engine bay help eliminate these potential fire risks. 9. Faulty or worn-out hoses. Hoses that carry fluids such as oil, coolant, and power steering fluid can deteriorate over time. Cracks, leaks, or burst hoses can lead to fluids spilling onto hot engine parts. When these fluids come into contact with hot components like the exhaust manifold, they can ignite and cause a fire. Worn hoses should be replaced during regular maintenance to prevent such issues from arising. 10. Poorly installed or defective components. Improperly installed or defective components, especially aftermarket parts, can contribute to engine fires. Loose connections, poorly fitted hoses, or defective fuel lines can create conditions for fluid leaks or overheating. If components such as fuel injectors, wires, or gaskets are not properly installed or are made from inferior materials, they can fail and cause fires. Ensuring that all engine components are properly installed and maintained can reduce the likelihood of these issues. Fire in the engine bay is a serious and potentially life-threatening situation. Common causes include fuel and oil leaks, electrical malfunctions, overheating, and debris accumulation. Recognizing warning signs like smoke, unusual smells, or fluid leaks can help prevent fires before they start. Timely repairs and professional inspections are key to ensuring the safety and reliability of the vehicle. If a fire occurs, safely exiting the vehicle and contacting emergency services is the priority.